Okay, so I've decided to do a little bit of a how-to on stone polishing for anybody else who might be interested in trying out the process. I've started out here with a piece of black tourmaline, but you can use any gemstone. Although they do vary in hardness, so you'll find some easier to polish than others. I'm using a diamond drill bit, and I've been polishing for a while. My first one, unfortunately, ended up fracturing. There's a lot to learn here. You know, like if your tool gets hot, heats up the stone, and that can cause a fracture. It can have natural faults in it. So yeah, I'm learning you really need to respect the stone. You really need to kind of catch its vibe and see what it needs to thrive, to become, to transmute, to transform, however you want to say it. Anyhow, so that piece there shattered. Well, not shattered, I can still use it. So I started on a new one. We're really quite happy with this. And hoping that I don't overdo it like I did with the last one and end up fracturing this one too. So I'm taking it really slow. And I've learned that each stone, this is just water, by the way, but I've been at it for so long, there's now quite a bit of sediment at the bottom. I've learned that it's absolutely critical to keep your stone wet. And actually, I think I got a little bit too carried away there. This stone prefers gentle handling, so I'm finding just gentle, shorter strokes is what's working best here. Gives me more control. So this is just a really nice speed, this one here. And I also find different stones, even of the same variety, like different speeds. I don't know. It's interesting. Anyhow, I'm pretty much done with this. I'm going to switch to polishing pretty darn quick here because I don't want to overdo it. I'm quite happy with having little imperfections. I'm pleased with the shape, and as long as it's smooth, yeah, I think I'll keep this. Hope you enjoy it. I'll get on to polishing pretty quick. So I'm the kind of person who really hates to waste anything. And I've been noticing all this wonderful debris that accumulates at the bottom of the dish as I'm working. And so I wondered if there might be a use for it. So I actually allowed the water to evaporate. And I ended up with this really cool powder from the black tourmaline. And I was just thinking, like, this would be really cool to mix it with resin. I bet you something cool would happen. And I'm also thinking it might make its way into the sunflowers. So anyhow, yeah, interesting things happening here. It's magic. And please don't think I'm being disrespectful by doing this on top of my carving for Ukraine that's in progress. Because this is energy. This is creating talismans, people. And all this wonderful creative energy is getting absorbed into this wood. And all the love that has gone into this carving is getting absorbed into this stone. Because, everything is connected. Anyhow, have a blessed day.